Hello everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're taking a closer look at a cleaning gadget that's been trending in online ads recently, called the Steam Pro by HydroJet. Many promotions claim this small handheld device can blast away grease, dirt, and stubborn stains in just seconds, all without using any strong chemicals. But the important question is the Steam Pro HydroJet actually worth your money? Or is the marketing a bit overhyped? Let's break it down. The Steam Pro is advertised as a compact steam cleaner meant for everyday household cleaning. According to the product page, it can be used on surfaces like kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, grout lines, sofas, and even the interior of cars. The concept behind the device is fairly straightforward. It heats water to create high-temperature steam. That steam pressure helps loosen grime, grease, and dirt, so it can be wiped off more easily. In fact, this method is already used in many traditional steam cleaners because it allows people to clean surfaces using only water instead of chemical cleaning products. The company also highlights several features on its website, including fast heating technology, different nozzle attachments for various cleaning tasks, and strong steam pressure. You may also see customer reviews and ratings being displayed, along with promises like a satisfaction guarantee or refund policy to encourage buyers to place an order. However, when it comes to viral gadgets like this, it's always important to look a little deeper. While some users report that handheld steam cleaners can help loosen grease and dirt in kitchens and bathrooms, smaller portable models often come with limitations. For example, they usually hold a smaller amount of water, which means you may need to refill the tank more frequently during longer cleaning sessions. So what's the final takeaway? The Steam Pro HydroJet appears to be a real type of cleaning device that works on the same principle as other handheld steam cleaners already available on the market. However, shoppers should keep realistic expectations and avoid relying only on promotional claims. Before buying, it's always smart to check product specifications, read independent customer feedback, and review the store's return and refund policies. And that's it for today's quick review. If you enjoy learning about trending products and want to stay safe from online scams, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next investigation. Thank you.